So today I'm going to show you how to brew cold brew coffee in a French press. A French press is great because it already has a built-in filter. So I'm going to be doing a 3:1 ratio. I am using 1 cup, 8 ounces of grounds. These grounds are coarse ground for cold brew. Put those in the French press. And then I'm using 3 cups or 24 ounces of water. Pour that in. I like to swirl a little bit. Helps get the coffee grounds all wet. Then I will use a spoon to help stir it and make sure that all the coffee grounds are wet and down in the water. Put the top on. And now I can let this sit for 12 hours. You can leave it sit on your kitchen countertop or you can put it in your refrigerator. Now 12 hours later, all you have to do is plunge your French press, pour into a beautiful cup of ice, and then add what you would like. I like to do stevia and a little bit of cream. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, watch our next video for tips on how to make flavored iced coffee.